everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Okay guys, today I am making a super easy 4-ingredient apricot chicken, and this is so delicious. And it's one of those recipes that I used to make a lot and I completely forgot about it. It's been a long time since I've made this. I came across it watching In the Kitchen with Karen. She made this dish, so thank you, Karen, for the great reminder of just how delicious this apricot chicken is. I'm super excited to show you guys just how to make it. And like I said, 4 ingredients. You use your chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast. Of onion soup mix. I'm using a Catalina style dressing, but you can use Russian or French, and then apricot preserves. And that's all there is to it. So let's get cooking. So you use 1 cup of the dressing. And then 1 cup of the preserves. And then 1 packet of the onion soup mix. And you just stir this together. And I know that this seems like a little bit of an odd combination. I understand. I thought the same thing the first time I made it, but believe me, this is delicious. I think you will be pleasantly surprised at how delicious it is. So I have placed my chicken thighs in a 7x11 baking dish. But like I said, you can use chicken breasts if you want. It's completely up to you. I'm sure you could even use the chicken tenderloins. Now, if you wanted to add a little kick, you could add some red pepper flakes to your mixture here, but I'm not doing that. I'm just keeping it as is. So now all I'm going to do is just pour this mixture over top of my chicken. Okay, and now I'm going to bake this uncovered in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes or until the chicken is completely cooked through. The sauce that this apricot chicken makes is phenomenal. It is absolutely delicious. You've got to give it a try. And it is amazing, served with rice, and then I have some broccoli here. And I did want to mention that you can make this apricot chicken in your slow cooker. Just dump everything in, turn it on high, and cook it for 4 to 6 hours. But I've got to give this a try. Wow, I had forgotten just how delicious this is. I really hope that you give this a try. And thank you so much, Karen, for reminding me of how amazing this apricot chicken is. And I will give you a link to her channel. She's got some wonderful recipes, so you'll want to go check her out. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. This sauce is absolutely, what can I say about the sauce? Does anybody else out there make things and you forget about it, and then years later you're like, wow, wait a second, I used to make that. Well,